Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. So starting off, I'll be using this color credit on my crease. I'm using a pencil brush to create this look so I can stay in circular motion. So the next color I'm taking is called Ginger. It's burnt orange color. It's a little bit lighter than the other color on the palette, but yeah, I'm using a fluffy brush to blend the color credit on my crease. And the next color I will be using is this called Edges. I'm going to put this color on the outer corners of my lid and inner corners of my lid. So yeah, I'm using the Anastasia brush also from the palette. So I'm taking the brush again and diffusing the crease a little bit. And I'm using ColourPop No Filter Concealer and e.l.f. Concealer brush and going to do this halo look. So I'm going to draw the line on the crease so we have a perfect shape for our halo eye whenever we put the shimmer color. And going to use this colored Jam on the lid. It's a gold coppery color, very shimmery also. I love this color. So yeah, I'm taking the color Wiggleish in the inner parts of my lid. It's a really pretty red color. And I'm using this brush from Morphe. It's the inner corner highlight brush. And I'm using this Touch in Soul metallist glitter topper in mono white. It's a really pretty color. It gives really big oomph for the look. And yeah, I'm back and forth diffusing my lid so it looks really blended. And I'm using this Blaq Label lashes in Finesse and using this Farah brushes two-sided tweezer with this lashes. It's one of my favorite tweezers from them. And I'm using this Touch in Soul primer and going to apply this all over my face for perfect finish. It's the No Pore Blem primer. And I'm using this new product I got from the beauty club. It's their glow milk in I Love You So Matcha. So yeah, this is a pink champagne color, so I'm using it on the highest points of my face and going to use this Charlotte Tilbury's airbrush flawless finish foundation in 7.5 warm and going to blend it out using this Real Techniques foundation brush. As you can see, it's giving me really good glow on my face. And I'm going to use this Huda Beauty's Overachiever concealer in Toasted Almond and going to blend it out using this ColourPop's brush. And I'm going to use this Blind Date Glow Milk highlighter from also Beauty Crop and going to intensify my look, but also I'm keeping this look really very romantic and dewy kind of look, so it's really good for date night as well. So yeah, I'm using this In Stylish makeup sponge in Rivera Rose. It's the two-sided sponge. I've been loving this sponge so much. It's really underrated. And I'm using this Nude Beauty blush in Deserted Rose using BH Cosmetics rose gold brush. And I'm going to bake underneath my eyes and highest points of my face. I'm not gonna set all over my face, just the under eyes and the chin and little bit on the nose. And I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line using the color credit and edges. And the next product I'll be using this Elf Cosmetics collab with Nabela Nude. It's the Maria Nude Lip Cocktail. I'm just using the lip liner from the lip cocktail, and I'm going to use the Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick in Trendsetter. And yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys really enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section below what other holiday looks you wanna see from me. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.